Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of work, power and energy. The question here is, a particle is acted upon by constant forces F1 is equals to 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap and F2 is equals to minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap, is displaced from the point A 210 to the point B minus 3 minus 4 2. Find the total work done by these forces. So first of all we see what is given to us. Given is there are two forces, F1 is equals to 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap, and the another force F2 is equals to minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap. And the initial point is A, that is coordinates are 2, 1, 0, and the final point is B whose coordinates are minus 3, minus 4 and 2. So now we see the solution for this question. A is the initial point, therefore initial position vector will be 2I cap plus J cap plus 0 K cap. This is initial position vector. Then B is the final point, so final position vector will be equals to minus 3I cap minus 4J cap plus 2K cap. This is final position vector. Now what will be the displacement of the body? Displacement is given by final position vector minus initial position vector, that is equals to minus 3I cap minus 4J cap plus 2K cap minus 2I cap plus J cap plus 0K cap. So on solving this, the displacement comes out to be minus 5I cap minus 5J cap plus 2K cap. Now there are two forces acting on the body. Since the two forces are acting on the body, then net force F will be given by vector sum of the two forces F1 plus F2, that is equals to, the net force will become 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap plus minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap. So this gives us I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Now what is the formula for work done? Work done is given by F dot S. So now we put the values here. So we will get work is equals to, force is I cap minus J cap plus K cap dot minus 5I cap minus 5J cap plus 2K cap. We know that I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1, rest are 0. Therefore, work is equals to minus 5 plus 5 plus 2. That comes out to be 2 joule. So then what is our answer? Answer is work done by the forces is equals to 2 joules. Since units are not given to us, we can even write 2 units. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.